Welcome to Lesson 4, Step-by-Step Guide to Implementation in our course, Mastering Change Management. In this lesson, we'll walk through a structured, step-by-step approach to implementing change management initiatives. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear roadmap for planning, executing, and sustaining change in real-world scenarios. Let's get started. This lesson is designed to provide a practical framework for implementing change management. We'll cover 8 key steps, from defining the change to sustaining it over the long term. Along the way, we'll discuss best practices and practical exercises to help you apply these steps effectively. By the end, you'll feel confident in leading successful change initiatives. The first step is to define the change. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve, including the scope, objectives, and desired outcomes. For example, a company implementing a new project management tool might set SMART goals to improve team collaboration and efficiency. Involve key stakeholders early to ensure alignment and avoid confusion. Remember, clarity at this stage sets the foundation for success. Next, assemble a team of change agents or leaders who will drive the process. Include individuals from different departments to ensure diverse perspectives and assign clear roles and responsibilities. For instance, a company might form a team of managers, IT staff, and team leaders to oversee the implementation of a new tool. A strong team ensures accountability and collaboration throughout the process. Step 3 is to conduct a stakeholder analysis. Identify all stakeholders affected by the change and assess their needs, concerns, and influence. Use a stakeholder matrix to categorize them and develop tailored communication plans. For example, a company introducing a new policy might identify employees, managers, and clients as key stakeholders and plan targeted communication for each group. This step helps build trust and reduce resistance. Now it's time to develop a detailed change management plan. Outline the steps, timeline, resources, and communication strategies needed for the change process. Break the plan into manageable phases and include milestones to track progress. For example, a company rolling out a new tool might start with a pilot program in one department before expanding. A well-structured plan ensures smooth implementation. The final steps focus on execution and sustainability. Step 5 is to communicate the change. Use multiple channels to share the vision and address concerns. Step 6 is to provide training and support, such as workshops or user guides. Step 7 involves monitoring progress and making adjustments based on feedback. Finally, Step 8 is to reinforce and sustain the change by celebrating successes and integrating it into the culture. For example, a company might hold a town hall meeting to explain the change, provide training sessions, and celebrate milestones to maintain momentum. To ensure success, follow these best practices. Engage stakeholders at every stage to build trust and commitment. Be flexible and adapt your approach based on feedback. Communicate frequently to keep everyone informed and address concerns. Finally, celebrate milestones to maintain motivation and momentum. These practices enhance the likelihood of a smooth and successful implementation. Now it's your turn to apply what you've learned. Think of a change you want to implement in your personal or professional life. Follow the 8 steps to create a detailed change management plan. For example, if you're introducing a new tool at work, define the change, identify stakeholders, and develop a phased implementation plan. Share your plan with a peer or mentor for feedback and reflect on the process. This exercise will help you put theory into practice. To summarize, a structured, step-by-step approach is essential for successful change management. From defining the change to sustaining it, each step builds on the last to ensure smooth implementation. Best practices like engaging stakeholders and celebrating milestones enhance success. By following this guide, you'll be equipped to lead and manage change effectively, ensuring lasting results. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing how you apply these steps.